Hey everyone, Aaron here, and today I'm going to show you how to build a gaming PC for under $100 with these parts. Now let's start looking at them. We have a computer case, processor, motherboard, high-end graphics card, and dual RAM. Right now the case is in our way, so we don't need it. First, let's check out this awesome motherboard here. Whoa. Now that's high-end. I didn't even pay a dime for this bad boy. Don't need this box. Let's check out this processor. This processor is super fast, amazing quick, awesome for gaming. Let's check her out. Check that out, processor. Shoot! Got him. This is one fast processor, but keep a good grip on it. I'm gonna put it back in here for now. Okay. Let's check out the other components. We have the RAM. I got this on the black market, guys. Really cheap. Whoa, check it out. This is like the best RAM you can get on the market. Take a good look at that. I don't recommend getting two different kinds, but this will work. Okay, now let's check out this graphics card. Man, this thing's a beast. It doesn't have a heat sink, but what do you expect for cheap, right? Wow, this is pretty good for $3. Man, I can see everything with this thing. You can play Minecraft with this for sure. Okay, now let's build this awesome PC. So here it is, guys, the gaming machine for under $100. Anyways, what did you expect for $100? There's no way that we can build a gaming PC for $100 unless we we robbed a bank or something. Really hope you enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun shooting it. I want to give a shout out to my friend Eli for helping me shoot this footage. If you guys did like the video, give us that thumbs up, and if you'd like to sub for future content, hit that below also. Anyways, until next time.